As is?
As is. The transfer is complete. Lock that cable down now. We're starting the tow.
It's secure! Pressure coming on the line! Almost there, easy now!
We're blasting away years of deep ocean grime. This pressurized water cuts right through the rust and sea growth. As the rust is removed by abrasive blasting, the inspector meticulously checks the hull's thickness, listening closely for the resonant sound of solid metal. Structural integrity looks compromised on Sector 4.
Mark it for reinforcement before they start cutting the stabilizers.
Check the alignment on the starboard side. Clear, bring it down.
Engage the stabilizer lock.
All right, bring it left a touch. Hold it there, hold it there. Easy now. Watch the starboard side. Clear. Bring it down.
Engage the stabilizer lock.
Initiating airflow regulation test sequence.
Pressure stabilizing at nominal levels. Cooling system shows full functionality.
System ready.
Phase 5. Initial turbine spin test, minus low power.
Phase 6. Low power thrust activation test.
Low power thrust test. Complete. Compass stable.
As you can see, the starboard engine is heavily corroded. These cables here are completely disconnected. The propulsion system is dead.
Ugh. 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 Look at the scoring on cylinder 3. The pistons are completely seized in their bores. We can't get any movement on the crankshaft. Ugh. All right, take the tension. Tension is set. Clear to lift. Ugh.
Now we test the rotation of tension of the newly assembled engine.
The vertical alignment is spot on. Horizontal is green across all sensors. We are aligned. The shaping process needs to follow the exact specifications on the blueprint. Make sure the filler application is uniform across this section.
Woo! How's the contour looking on your end? Almost smooth enough for the primer.
The glass and hybrid components are fully masked, ready for the primer application on this section. We are clear of the hangar structure. Proceeding to the launch zone.
Scene 100.05. The voyage stability test is carried out at medium cruising speed.